Hello friends, welcome to Cygnus, the technology and gadget channel for heavy PC users. Today we will look at how to fix Android process a card has stopped unexpectedly error. So first of all we will look at why we are getting this error. So we get this error because one of the contacts saved in your phone has date of birth of 29 Feb. This contact could have been downloaded to your phone from any of the third-party applications such as Facebook, Gmail, especially when you have enabled sync between your phone and these accounts. Before we actually getting into the troubleshooting steps, I need you to back up your contacts and any key files from your phone. So if you want to know how to back up and restore your contacts and other items, please refer the video tutorial link given over here. So first step which we are going to follow is to clear out the data and cache for the applications related to contacts, and then we are going to disable contact sync between your applications such as Facebook. So I will show you one by one. So this is the Android device. So you have to go to settings, applications and all, then contacts, settings, applications, scroll to the left side and choose all. Under all you have so contacts is available over here, and choose contacts, and you have to click clear data and clear cache. So I'm not going to show you right now. So once you click clear data, it may ask you for a warning message. Since you have already backed up your data, your contacts, you can accept the warning, and do the same for clear cache as well. So after you do that, repeat the same process for contact storage and contact sync adapter if it is available in your phone. Otherwise you can ignore this part, and any application, third-party application such as Facebook and anything else. So this is how you have to clear cache and data. And the next step which we are going to do is to disable the contact sync option for the accounts such as Facebook and Google. So I will show you how to do that. So from your phone, go to settings again, and there you have your accounts listed out over here. So choose your account and go to menu option. So there you can cancel your sync option, or if you have any option to uncheck the contact sync feature especially, so you can do that as well. So after following these two steps, clearing out cache and data and disabling contact sync, please restart your phone and see if the issue is fixed. So 80% of the time the issue would fix with these steps, and if you see that issue is not yet fixed, I would request you to follow any of the steps which are available over here. One of the step is disabling the contact and use the default different contact manager application, example Contact Plus. I'll show you how you can do that. So disable contact, which is a default contact application that came along with your phone. Go to settings, applications, go to all as we did last time, and go to contacts, choose contacts, and there you have option to disable the contacts applications. So you disable these contacts by clicking on disable, and you can go to Play Store and search for contact. So you may get the application related to contacts. I will show you over here in my web browser, but you need to do it in your mobile device. So open up Play Store, contacts. So there you can find a Contact Plus application which you can install to your device. So other step could be uninstall and reinstall third-party programs such as Facebook and other applications which involve contacts. So you might be knowing it already, but go to settings, applications, and choose any application that you want to uninstall and click on uninstall. And once you find the issue is fixed, you can reinstall back and disable the sync option. The other step is clearing out cache for all the application and reset application preferences. I will show you how to do that. Go to settings, storage. There you have option called cache data. Click on cache data and it will ask you to confirm cache clearing. So click OK. So this will clear out the cache. And now we will look at how to reset application preferences. So go to settings again and under apps, so under apps, go to settings and go to apps or application manager. Click on menu key and you have reset application preference option. So, and one more last step which you could try even after following all these steps, you could do a factory reset of your device, which will bring back your device to the original state as if you have purchased from the store. So I have provided a video link over here which you can follow to do a factory reset. So I hope with all these steps your issue is fixed. Please share your comments and suggestions. Thank you.